Hello everyone, welcome back to another weather overview video. Today I have some severe weather to talk to you guys about, and this is actually severe weather that is going to be hitting this evening. This is a little bit of a last minute video, but there's started to be a little bit of an uptick in the severity of these storms, so I felt like I should probably make a video about it and talk to you guys about it. So let's go ahead and get into it. First off, here is what our convective outlook is looking like as of right now. This was originally just a big marginal risk for severe weather, but now in southeast Missouri, northwestern Tennessee, western Kentucky, and the southernmost part of Illinois, you are all in a slight risk for severe weather now. So if you're in any of these areas, definitely keep an eye out. And then within our slight risk, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch. This includes areas in northwestern Tennessee, far western Kentucky, and southeast Missouri. If you're in any of these areas, you definitely need to keep an eye on these storms, especially these storms that are actually up and going right now. We have one right here, looks like it's about to go through East Prairie, and it is currently under a severe thunderstorm warning. So if you're in the track of these storms here, you definitely need to keep an eye on them. They could be heavy rain producers, strong wind producers, large hail producers, maybe even tornado producer. We'll get into more of that here in a minute. But first, let's look at what these storms are going to be doing. We can see here that there is going to be a broken up line of storms that are going to go through these areas that it's currently under a watch. So if you're in these areas, you need to watch for these storms. Of course, this can always change. Storms and weather, they're always changing. So, I mean, really, anything can happen. Your area could not get hit at all. Who knows, really? But we definitely need to keep an eye on these storms. That is potentially what could happen, is a line of some pretty strong cells that we saw there. Lastly, let's take a look at our hazards. Here is what our large hail potential is looking like. We have a pretty good area of a 15% chance for large hail, basically just in the area that is currently under the watch, a little bit outside of it. But if you're in these areas, watch for the potential for large hail. These strong storms will definitely have the ingredients needed to produce strong hail. Next is our tornado potential. Huge area of just a 2% chance. I know it sounds low, but it is not zero. So if you are in any of this area that is highlighted in green, of course, pay attention to these storms. Keep your weather alerts on, keep your notifications and your vibrator or ringer on. Lastly is our wind threat. We have a big 5% chance pretty much on the area that is under a chance for severe storms tonight. So keep an eye on this. This could really damage properties. This could damage things outside of your house. So watch for that. A lot of these strong storms will probably have the ingredients to also produce some pretty strong wind gusts. But it's definitely not what we're mainly worried about. We're mainly worried about hail. With this could produce some golf ball sized hail, some quarter sized hail, maybe even tennis ball sized hail if it is that strong. So we'll have to see what these storms do, but of course, pay attention to these, watch radar, watch your local news, whatever. Just keep an eye on these. That is all I have for you guys this evening. I hope you all stay safe, keep an eye on these storms if you are in any of the areas that are highlighted for possible severe storms tonight, but especially if you are in the severe thunderstorm watch area. Hope you guys all stay safe and have a wonderful day.